Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to share some thoughts on the SEL strike from Bandai. So first, the plastic quality. There's nothing to say about it, it's just perfect. No problems whatsoever. Snap fit is flawless of course. Stickers on the other hand is a bit of a letdown. The color ink accuracy is quite crazy, but seeing it's an SD we just have to deal with it. We either use those stickers or paint it ourselves. Articulations are of course its weak point. The head can rotate a full circle. It's a 2-point articulation, so it can do a bit of a chicken head movement. The head can go up this much and go down this much. Not a lot, but we can cope with that. There's a little BC joint in there that allows these arms to pull forward to the front a bit. Arms can do a full rotation. Connecting the arm to the shoulder is a ball joint, so you can spin it all the way as well. You can see the bicep is a hollow part, it means that it's empty in the inside. You can rotate it all the way like this. The forearms can go up to 90 degrees. The whole arm can go up this much. His waist can do a full circle. The whole leg only have one joint to attach it to the waist and one joint to attach it to his feet. Both his legs are also hollow parts. Legs articulation is almost non-existent. You can kick this much to the front and pull to the back this much. Feet can stretch all the way back here, but can't go up any further than this. Yeah, you can see that I did horrible with these stickers. That's why I hate these kind of stickers just so fucking much. Now onto the backpack. Thrusters can go up this much and go down this much. I find it quite weird that these thrusters are very wiggly. To attach the backpack, you just simply put it on the back like this. Beam rifle is just a one-piece part straight out of the runner, just like this. Just simply slide it into the holding hand to attach it. The whole shoe is also a one piece of red plastic. Every other colors on here are all stickers. You can simply attach it to the back of the forearms like this. Here's a little size comparison to the high-grade Babatos, high-grade Fusion Rebate Full City, and high-grade Vita. So that's basically what you get. I actually bought this with a big discount because the parts were a bit damaged. That's why earlier you can see that one of the runner was damaged. For such a cheap price, it's a decent kit. Of course, there are lots of limits like the limited articulations, color inaccuracy, and hollow parts. But all these limits are just because it's an SD. Most of the SD have the same problems since they were made mostly for decoration. And personally, I think this is an awesome decoration for its price. So for all of that, I'm gonna give this a solid 5 out of 10. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this content, please drop a like and a subscribe. I really appreciate anyone that spend their time watching this. Anyway, until we meet again, peace.